Align the trigger hole with the hole in the receiver so you can clearly see through it. Then insert a small piece of leftover filament as a pin and cut off the excess. Install the small spring into the matching slot on the shell elevator. Lightly heat the tip of the spring with a lighter before inserting it. This will melt it slightly into the plastic and keep it securely in place. This is probably the most difficult step of the assembly. You need to insert the second end of the spring into the matching slot inside the receiver. The problem is that there is not enough space for your fingers, so the easiest way is to push the spring in as far as you can with your finger, and then guide it into the slot by pressing it with a flat screwdriver or a small knife. It probably will not work on the first try, but don't get frustrated. After 2 or 3 attempts, the spring should snap into place. Please note that this filament pin goes all the way through both the magazine tube and the barrel, locking both parts securely in place.